The new ZAZ-965 Zaporozhets 2026 is a beautiful rebirth of one of the most iconic Soviet-era cars. It brings together the spirit of the 1960s with the advanced technology and comfort of modern automotive design. The original ZAZ-965 was known for its compact body, unique style, and charm that made it a favorite among ordinary citizens in the USSR. The 2026 version takes those nostalgic design cues and reimagines them for the 21st century while preserving its identity as a small, affordable, and lovable car. From the outside, the ZAZ-965 2026 keeps its signature rounded silhouette, short wheelbase, and distinctive proportions. The body is more aerodynamic now, made from lightweight materials to improve efficiency and performance. The white color enhances its classic elegance and timeless appeal, giving it a clean, pure look that perfectly complements its retro curves. The round LED headlights are a modern reinterpretation of the old halogen ones, providing bright illumination while keeping the friendly face of the original design. Chrome accents around the grille, windows, and bumpers pay homage to the 1960s aesthetic, while the new alloy wheels add a contemporary edge. The rear of the car is equally nostalgic. It features oval-shaped LED taillights that resemble the original design but with a futuristic glow. The back bumper has been refined with polished chrome and integrated exhaust tips for a balanced mix of retro and modern. The small size of the car makes it perfect for urban environments, easy to park and maneuver through tight city streets. Its compact design hides a surprising amount of innovation under the hood and inside the cabin. Inside, the ZAZ-965 2026 surprises with its blend of simplicity and sophistication. The interior design takes inspiration from the minimalism of the classic Soviet models but adds luxury and comfort. The dashboard is clean and symmetrical, with soft touch materials and subtle chrome touches. The steering wheel features the traditional circular shape with the ZAZ logo in the center, surrounded by modern control buttons that maintain the vintage feel while adding practicality. The seats are upholstered in cream leather with detailed stitching, offering both retro beauty and modern comfort. There's also a small digital screen embedded in the center console, providing navigation, music, and connectivity options without breaking the classic look. The new model focuses on practicality and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2026 Zaporozhets is powered by a small hybrid engine that combines fuel economy with smooth performance. The engine is quiet, clean, and perfectly suited for city driving. For those who prefer a fully electric version, ZAZ also offers an optional EV variant that uses a compact electric motor and battery system capable of covering up to 300 kilometers on a single charge. This makes the car not just stylish and nostalgic but also environmentally friendly and future-ready. Driving the ZAZ-965 2026 feels both nostalgic and refreshing. It's lightweight, agile, and fun to handle, bringing back the simplicity of old-school driving with modern stability control, ABS, and electric steering. The suspension has been improved for smoother rides, and despite its compact size, the cabin feels spacious thanks to clever design and the panoramic glass windows that create an open and airy atmosphere. Every detail of this model has been crafted to celebrate history while embracing progress. The sound insulation has been improved compared to the old version, so the car feels quiet even at high speeds. The doors open wide, giving easy access to the front and rear seats, while the small trunk is ideal for city life or short weekend trips. Even the engine layout remains faithful to the original. Rear engine configuration, paying tribute to the old ZAZ-965's engineering while optimizing it for modern safety standards. The ZAZ-965 Zaporozhets 2026 isn't just a car, it's a piece of history reborn. It speaks to those who remember the golden age of Soviet motoring and appeals equally to younger generations who love retro designs with modern features. Its charm lies in the way it connects past and future, keeping the soul of the classic alive while offering the convenience, safety, and performance expected from a car of the modern era. It's small, stylish, efficient, and filled with character, the perfect modern interpretation of a beloved legend.